already kidnapped on that very day. And only God knows whether his phone was taken away from him to make that announcement that at the end of the day did not come. As one would talk and say, our leader will not be coming that day. Our leader not really come. That word fell out of his mouth, and later he was trying to correct it. He was trying to correct it. Like I tell you every day, I say word be like egg. As if it go make war. The reason why all these things when they happen is then are quiet, not to talk anything or not to say anything about anybody, because they feel say as they go get to a stage when they go keep quiet, they go behave like adults. Because these people, if you say they give birth early, they will be my grandmother. I know how old my mother was before she gave birth to me, and I know how many years these people did today. If they were to be people when they say you give birth early, they will give birth to my mates, and by now they forgot they carry grandchildren. And they feel say, if I don't talk back to now, what about tomorrow we can't reconcile? What about tomorrow we can't become sisters and brothers again? As in waiting what happen. But I can see and say, these people, because of their waywardness, they don't get limits. They don't have limits. Nobody has monopoly of talking. Nobody has monopoly of saying whatever they want to say. Every one of us have man. And as a matter of fact, if you not for sense, I get past them. If not for wisdom, I get past them. If not for swag, I get past them. If not for intelligence, I get past them. The only thing where these people get past me now age. And they say age is age not number. Age don't make you get sense. Age don't make you get intelligence. Now, I don't serve them the food when they prepare by themselves. I don't serve and they give them. They don't get that. I tell them, I say now one injection they give. If I give you I leave you. I don't get time to call the battle word. If I give you and this injection is going to last for 2 weeks. All of you are going to back for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, I go download una again. I will go can't again for social media. Now me be a fake. The daughter of Uwanowo from Orogun. Orogun now come from. I don't get duplicates for this social media. I don't get, even for my family, I don't have duplicates. Now, after that day, my people, one put out they celebrate. Every day they come on social media. They celebrate, they drink, they do whatever they do for that place. With some of them will be gullible ones. Those social media puppies where they follow up. All those what do they call her? Lai Mohammed recruit. People when Lai Mohammed recruit. People when addition of the recruit. People when the federal government of Nigeria recruit. People when the Madam Yibo, the Nelly them Devumai, Southeast governor, all of them recruits, they cook for that place. Then they feel say, one puta come and share them up. Or not to them say, one puta they celebrate in victory. In victory, when want to take over. You want to take over the position when we say, in next life, in generation to come, can never ever smell that place. He's not mandated to be a leader of anybody. He is only mandated to be a social media talkative that he is. Up until now, when Buddha was in PDP, every one of us know how to be person where they talk. How come he has never been elected to be in any position as a political leader or to be in any position where recognized? So now our own time or our own very eyes, or waiting we don't labor to build, or whatever the Supreme Leader established, when it started from scratch with people who left what they were doing, who put everything on the line for this thing to be, for this restoration to become successful to the day, for today. Now one can give now one put on for quotation, or now one for come become leader. It is not possible. They say leaders are born. Leaders are born. Our Supreme Leader they give birth to our Supreme Leader in the year 1967. After the year when we say that Biafra Nigeria fight still starts. That was when our Supreme Leader was giving birth. It means that the very day our Supreme Leader was giving birth to, he was born a leader. He not just be a leader, in a firstborn. In a first fruit of his family, in everything, Mazi Odumegwu Ojukwu was born a leader. You cannot jump from nowhere. You want to come and reap where you never sow. You want to come and reap or you want to impose yourself, or you want to parade yourself as self-acclaimed leader. Nwankpota have been celebrating our supreme leader kidnap from the one, for the disappearance of our supreme leader. At any hour of this disappearance of our supreme leader, Nwankpota can come live up to 5 times a day. Una saying they work. Me when they say I even the ordinary activities of how I go take kind of as you go take be to establish yourself, to even come live once in a day na problem. To even broadcast once in a day na problem. Now you can see say person when they work for Europe go they come live 20 times a day, 5 times a day, 6 times a day. He say they keep una busy, they give una update. Which updates? Which update Nwankpota they give una when they make her they call life every day? This guy is jobless in Finland. He dey jobless. He not get anything where they do for that place. He they celebrate the victory of their plan, where they plan behind. If he say at the end of the day, he's going to come to take the position of our supreme leader, or people like us is going to endorse him to be the person where we want to lead us. When we know where we they come from and where we dey today. Now, Nwankpota, the day our supreme leader, they give that news, say our supreme leader will be coming to court on that very day. That took you unaware when they left you behind. Why it be say, as in that day you were very sad. You were very sad. It showed through the words of your mouth, your emotion. As a matter of fact, instantly, you start to look for the authentic of that information. You started looking for the authentic or the information, if not authentic or not. You were quarreling your puppies. You could have quarreled those your puppies when they follow you. Tell they say, don't bring confusion here. Don't bring false information here. Because you never believed. And you thought, and you inside your mind say, my own is finished. So this one will be released tomorrow. Nwankpota, tell yourself the truth. That offer where you dey hold, that Biafra offer where you dey hold, or Igbo offer where you dey hold. Use and take swear. Say this thing when I dey talk so, not be waiting there your mind at that very day. Say, oh, it means we are finished. Now the canon will be released tomorrow. Because at the first place, you never believed that our leader was still alive. The day it get done on you was the first day our leader appeared in court. I know some Biafrans are not taking notes, but we are very smart. We are very smart. We have been here before you came. And I continue to repeat. We have been here before Simon Ekpa came. So Simon Ekpa na back city day. There's no way Simon Ekpa could put his chair for front for where we did. It's not possible. He's at the back. He will remain at the back. He will remain at the back. You were so confused on that very day. You never believed that our supreme leader was is still alive. Because probably Madam Yibo and Nelly Ofuegbu were telling you that don't mind him. I don't think he's still alive. Even when he's still alive, I don't think his head is correct. This one, that one. Even them Nelly, they don't already start already. Say our supreme leader, say his enemy head not correct. Even if he come out today. It shocked you when you see him for court. That was the day you started retrieving your step. And retrieving your step does not mean that you can't retrieve yourself. Oh. Now that now you facilitate your or you relaunch the evil, but then when you come to do the purpose, then when you be say you join the struggle. Now that now you can't launch and say anything where one square make it square, because you've already made up your mind and you have said it to your puppies. Those are your puppies when they follow you for your page. You have said it to them. You tell them say, even if our leader come outside today, that even if he did not speak to you, that you don't care, that you are going to continue to do what you are doing, which you know that is what is going to happen. Because you know so you don't mash line tire. Now, Biafrans, after those periods, Nwankpota activities come be once in a day. Wait until they come live. The only thing what they do, our expose today, we are going to do on YouTube, on Enter Biafra, on Instagram, on Twitter, on this one, on that one, on that one, on that one, is that. Nwankpota stopped to expose the activities of this Geological Republic of Nigeria. Nwankpota started checkmating IPOB back and front. Nwankpota started saying things where they say, he's not supposed to talk for that place. Because at the beginning, when all these things start, what did they call her? Nelly Ofuegbu tell Mazi Chinasa Nworu say Simon Ekpa Nwankputa na Finland say make the two of them work together. Say make them change the head of Directorate of State, which is DOS, to become ESN command. Every attempt has been made behind doors for Nwankputa to take over or to be part of maybe leadership or leaders that will be leading this noble family of IPOB. Because Nwankputa, for in mind and from the offset, thought he has captured Biafra to some extent. Say even if he presents himself or that he is being presented to become a leader or to take over from the position of our supreme leader, that Biafra were going to willingly open their hands to embrace him. For in mind, if you say you don't conquer to that, if you say you don't conquer to that level, but unknown to him, say not because that Biafra is a spirit. There are people who know more than him. There are people who have been following activities of Simon Ekpa from the very day he stepped his foot or he appeared in this struggle of Biafra. There are people who have been monitoring the activities of Nwankputa from the very first day he made attempts to join this freedom. There are people who watched that video that he made castigating our supreme leader. And there is no video when Nwankputa don't apologize to IPOB after that rubbish when he do. If there is any video Nwankputa made after attacking our leader, after saying all those manner of rubbish, that he not join the struggle. If there is any video Nwankputa made, because before anybody that must have attacked our leader or that must have said anything, before you become part of us or before you can join what we are doing, you are supposed to make a video. That video should be a video of an apology. This guy just came from back door. He just came from back door. He come and say people when he come meet na dumbest. People when he come meet na people when not get sense. When you go your come, you go your tweet them. Or the way if you there for PDP, you don't cause what do they call them? Article or you don't cause Buhari. Then if you dey break, you go your come outside, go join say I'm decamping. You just decamp from PDP to APC, decamp from APC to PDP, decamp from ANGA to APP. You think Biafra struggle is like that? You brought the mentality of politician, mentality of politics. You bring her into this struggle. You did not apologize. For the first place, where things supposed to be done, we were not supposed to accept you. After those jargons you use your mouth to talk in that place, we were not supposed to accept you because we are not political parties. Nobody knows you. We are supposed to treat you like a riffraff that you are. But because Madam Oyibo, Nelly Ofuegbu, they took advantage for the fact that our leader respect mothers, our leader respect women. They take you from behind door. No God position you for where you never belong. You not get the education to belong to where you dey fight to be, that place where you dey drag to be so. You not get the wisdom to be there. You not get the knowledge to be there. You not get what it takes for you to come and take over that position when you dey fight tooth and nail, when you dey so much desperate to come take over. You don't have what it takes. You don't have the appearance. You don't have what it takes. You don't get nothing whatsoever to come and take over whatever position that you intend in your heart to come and take over in that place. Now, Biafra, listen carefully. Check the video that Nwankputa made on that very day. That news was, as in that way that news, that breaking news come outside concerning our supreme leader will appear on the 2nd of November, 2nd of December, 2021. Check the body language of Nwankputa after that very spot. Check the very video that he made that night. The video he made that night. Check the body language and check the body language of the next day when Nwankputa saw that our leader did not appear in court. When Nwankputa saw that our leader did not come aside. Check the two. If you are a true Biafran, you mean well for this struggle. I say you to check the difference between these two videos and tell me what you observed. Check these two videos. Tell me what you observed in that place. This guy was celebrating that the next day. He was celebrating. His write-up says it all. His utterances said it all. His body language said it all. He was celebrating. And he continued to celebrate. Because his freedom, or he continued to the waka about, or parade himself as the one Buddha, king of Saga, the president of Idu nation. It's for our supreme leader to remain in the DSS custody. Because one Buddha is a derived job for the detention of our supreme leader. Not only deriving joy in the detention of our supreme leader, he enrich himself on the detention of our supreme leader. He build up himself on the detention of our supreme leader. He canvas to become somebody on the absence of our supreme leader. If you are a Biafran, you have not noticed this or you have not seen it. It means you are the most dumbest person on this planet Earth. My greatest joy today are the people who claim to be broadcaster, who want to be diplomatic, who never knew the damage that Nwankpota was causing to himself. They are now waking up. I saw this guy, Igbo Unite. I saw him when he was saying, when they talk to Nwankpota. I said, no, man, they talk to people like us, we don't get sense. They say, waiting. When elderly people see when they climb up, even when we know say some of you una still be elderly people when see they older than us. They say waiting an elderly person see when they for up. If it's more people climb the toilet tree, no go see him. I knew what Samuel was from 2019. If you know how many people try to force Simon or Nwankpota on me, you go dey marvel. A lot of people try to impose it on me, try to force him on me, for me to like him. In my spirit, not accept him. My spirit is too genuine. My spirit is too pure. I'm specially made for this purpose when I dey for here. When I come join this struggle, they say be coordinator, I say no. Be this one, I say no. I say the only thing I want to do is to be here and be talking. Finish. I don't want anything. The only thing I want is to be here and be talking to Biafra. Say things the way they are, without fear nor favor. Without fear nor favor. Now, Nwankpota na Finland. After that day, when Nwankpota na Finland start to do all those things from 2021, if you do this one, if you see this one not work, they go tell us, not follow this area, follow this area. You go follow this area. It be like person when they play game of chess or when they play this, what is it they call it? This game when they pick coupon, all those game. If this footballer not win, this one will win. Game of as in try your luck. What Nwankpota was doing it was more like try your luck. He was trying his luck. Which strategy was going to work, and he was not alone. Nwankpota was not alone. While the Madam Yibo were doing underground work, Nwankpota was on social media playing my game to deceive Biafrans. To deceive Biafrans. To some extent that they succeeded in convincing or deceiving our leader. But based on our leader was a prophet that he is, it was specially made for this cause that is we are all seeing today, we are all fighting for today. That is why, despite the manipulation, despite the deceiving, it's still we can drop the prophetic word of Simon. This is how our leader did it. This is how our leader said it. Simon, you are doing a great job. Continue to do your great job. But don't allow Satan to take over you. Don't allow Satan to take over you. Our leader repeatedly. If you want to go and watch that video, study our leader's expression, his eyeball. You will see that he did not say it like something where he not mean or where he not met or something where he just talk out of joke. He was not smiling. When he said it, he was not smiling. He said it with all sincerity because he never trusted him. But the people who were bringing Nwankpota to the presence of our supreme leader are people our leader respected so much. Are people our leader thought they have a lot to offer to Biafra. There are people our leader have given an opportunity to go to penetrate or to give the assignment to go and do in that place. If you can give these people assignment to go and do, what about if they come and present somebody to me? Let me recognize this person as well. That was what they did. Now, you Biafran Igbo Unite, all of them, they don't realize. Igbo Unite today, the video when I watch, they call Nwankpota liar. If they go Nwankpota liar, those are some of the people who have made series of video to kind of counter the attack on Nwankpota. There are people who are still yet to wake up, and they are going to wake up. Do you know why? Biafra is a spirit. The activities that Nwankpota is doing today, Biafrans, for those of you who are just joining the struggle, who did not know what conspired in 2017, who did not know what conspired in 2015, let me quickly throw your mind back, because the history, the activities that what took place in 2015 and 2017, they are all out there. There were people who rebelled against IPOB in the time of Uchemefo on the absence of our supreme leader. They rebelled. They were fighting, claiming to be our leader's supporter, claiming to be Biafrans who are fighting under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They seized a lot of assets of IPOB. This one, they don't even seize anything apart from money. Now they seize. They only seize money. They don't seize any places. According to the information, the embassy went there for Spain at that time when the IPOB asked or Biafra asked. These people managed to manipulate into that place. At least Madam Igbo is just an accountant, financial officer at that time, and he has Biafra money at her disposal. Which that money, he go vomit at times 200. And children, generation to come, go vomit that money times million times. Because people like the Madam Igbo, Nelly Ofuegbu, Nwankpota, they're going to remain for exile for the rest of their life. For this atrocity when they commit for blood daylight. Trying to get rid of our supreme leader, trying to kill our supreme leader, trying to lie to Biafra that he was poisoned, trying to lie to Biafra that he was betrayed by his brother and his family, trying to lie to Biafra that our leader was betrayed by the people he has been working with for the past how many years. Our leader was never betrayed or he was never sabotaged to this extent until Simon Ekpa and Madam Igbo and Nelly came into this struggle. More than they take, more than the underline what they talk, and they beg in the name of God. And not they talk because others they talk. Everything when they talk, I want make una they underline this issue. Our supreme leader was kidnapped when he went to, he was arrested because he was in the Zoological Republic. Our supreme leader home was invaded because he was in Zoological Republic. And the people who fought gallantly for him, for his release, for the struggle to continue to do it there as he did today, are the same people who these people were accused of being the person or the people who sabotage our supreme leader. Our supreme leader was not sabotage. Our supreme leader or IPOB have not gotten this kind of sabotage or this kind of whatever accusation that they brought to this place until Madam Igbo, Nelly Ofuegbu, and Nwankpota na Finland came. See, if you then look for people that sold our leader or people who betrayed our leader, no look elsewhere. If you continue to then look elsewhere, because you go be now you be the dumbest. You are a dumbest. If you continue looking elsewhere, you are the dumbest. Look nowhere. Look to the direction of these three people. Look to the direction of these three people. These are something they planned before they came. All those announcements that all those people were making, we give 100,000 to people to kidnap and to provide Nnamdi Kanu to do all those things. Those are just made fallacy to turn the attention of this, to turn the attention of the people. The people who carried out this activity are nobody but this Nwankpota, Nelly Ofuegbu, and Madam Igbo. Now, what happened in 2015 and what happened in 2017? Want to repeat itself again. Those people that rebelled twice on the absence of our supreme leader. At the beginning, they never stood out, they never came out publicly to attack our leader or claim to be fighting our leader. When our leader came outside, their suspension, our leader maintained it. Their expulsion from IPOB, our leader maintained it. What happened next? The attack come launched on our leader direct. What happened in 2015 and 2017? If they repeat itself for under our own very eyes, under our very nose. But some of you are still gullible to some essence. Some of you are still, you are not get brain to put one or two together to take reasoner. I asked Una earlier when this bad goes they start. I say, would there be any chance for our leader to choose an individual or few group of people instead of IPOB? Will there be, or it go be any time when our leader go come out tomorrow? He go come choose one with that, or come choose Madam Yibo, or come choose Nelly Ofuegbu instead of IPOB and the leadership. If you dey among the people when they dream or when they think like this, you go think, you be very big fool. You be fool. Because the handwriting is already written there. Even one Buddha has confirmed it with his man that even when our leader come outside, he did not talk to him that he's going to continue what he's doing. What is he doing? What did they do? He already know the activities he has done. He already know that our leader will not have anything to do with it. He already know that our leader have one or two ways send message to build Biafrans. For you to know that I'm no longer with this person. This person is not working for me. This self-acclaimed disciple. He even said it. Some of them are parading themselves in the name of disciple and all those things. I'm no longer with this person. Disregard this person. But some of you are still daft. Those are the people that are going to perish. The way the people who rebelled when Moses go take 10 commandments, come from heaven, come from God. We go take the commandment from God. Those of now when say the gullible, they follow this one Buddha, Nelly Ofuegbu and Madam Yibo. Now so all of them go perish. Now so go perish, follow these people. Because you see this noble family of IPOB is untouchable. My people use the word, I'm not okekpege. Okekpege me say go shake. Okekpege, but okekwe kufia. Okekpege, you go shake him, but you not go throw away. Okekpege, you go shake, but you not go throw away. You see this noble family of IPOB? It remain can't pay. Be you anybody. Be you anybody. If you like, put million of you, Buddha, with the help of the federal government of the Zoological Republic, with the help of the state government of the Zoological Republic. Okay, pege, but okay, kwa kufia. Okay, pege, mamo, but okay, kwa kufia. One drop no go fall. You see, one single drop. It no go fall. Now, one puta is there. What in Nwanya, Omio, all of them, they rebelled. There were people who stood their ground and fought for Ushemefo as a deputy leader. Just the way we are doing today. We stand our ground to fight and defend IPOB and the leadership. And at the end of the day, because they won in 2015, they won in 2017, in 2021, we are still going to win. Oh, yes, so. In 2021, we are still going to win and win and win and continue to win. Because our logo now winner. Our logo now winner. Because we are not, waiting with the do and the things of spirit. And we are not fighting it mortally. We should fight it spiritually. That is why when we go to society stage, we go bring out prayers. We go fasting and prayers. Because what we are doing is in of the spirit, and we see the fight out spiritually. My people want to listen to me very well. One Buddha is celebrating, because that is the title of this broadcast. As we continue to celebrate the disappearance or the detention of our supreme leader, it is our responsibility for us to sustain and hold on to what we have, and that is what we are doing. I want to ask you today, when last has Nwaputa talked or exposed the activities of the Zoological Republic of Nigeria? Make una not forget, say, there are a lot of people today who are very evil, very demonic, who they call the name of Jesus Christ. God, God, God. But now they're more evil past. They don't even believe in God. They don't believe in God. Who brought Christianity to us? Not be the Western world. Not be they bring religion to us. But today, is there anywhere or anyhow we go talk anything that has to do with our bondage, our suffering, our marginalization, without including the name of the British or all those America and all those people? They made us to believe, say, evil God himself na white man. Say Jesus Christ na white man. Say black people na they be Satan. But who is holding us today? Who made us throw away what we believe, our ancestral belief, all those things, our practice and everything? Who made us throw it away? Is it not these people? Today, where they practice the most satanic thing on this planet Earth? Is it not the same people? Calling the name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not a guarantee, or is not a ticket, not be first class ticket for you to be a genuine person. Don't support or aid people who have come to destroy what you have labored to build, or what you aim to achieve for the past how many years. Don't be a supporter of destruction. Nwaguda, Madam Oyibo, Nelly Ofuegbu, they be as a symbol of destruction. Nwaguda, in the person of Ekpa, is a symbol of destruction. You don't need a seer to tell you that. You don't need a seer to tell you. The handwriting is written on the wall. The handwriting is written on the wall. You see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I not had Simon there before. You see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Simon will attack our leader. Simon, for the fact that he did it at the beginning, and combined to the all activities of Nwaguda on social media, Nwaguda will be a part of the people that are going to attack our. He's not the first person. See, let me tell you one thing. There is something special about IPOB that you don't know. For this period, what happened so? For this period, there are people who love and cherish IPOB so much that fell apart with this Nelly and those people. These are people I know. I can vouch for them with my life. They are not evil people. They are not bad people. But at the same time, in the Bible, they thought say Satan was never an evil angel until iniquity was found in him. Whether Satan is a girl or a man, I don't know. He was one of the best angels. He was one of the... Lucifer was one of the best angels until iniquity was found in him. In other words, this man is the best thing that has happened to me in this struggle for the restoration of Biafra. I love and cherish him so much. I respect him too much. Even till today, as I speak to now. When you thought you are fighting the good fight, you go say, even if at the end of the day, I fight this fight, I'm not be suspended, I'm not be expelled from my POB, I'm not going to fight back, I'm not going to rebel, I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to do that. By the time you remember the sacrifice that you have made, by the time you remember the activities, how you have played along, how you have fought and defended IPOB, and you are now being suspended. If you are being suspended, you did not follow that suspicion. At the end of the day, you are now being expelled from IPOB. My brothers and sisters, you see yourself become a rebel. I'm telling you. You go see yourself to become a rebel. you no go even know say you don a rebel. It take only great minds, and these great minds, they are very, very few in number. Out of 100%, they are not up to 2%. To be expelled or suspended from IPOB, it take only few, like 2%, not to rebel. Only 2%. Today, even if I have not seen them attacking our leader, but indirectly and directly, they are kicking against the wish of our supreme leader, unknown to them. Unknown to them that what they are doing is against the wish of our supreme leader. But if somebody tell them, say, 2 years time, this is what you are going to perform inside IPOB, they will swear with their life, say they no go do it. They are going to swear with their life, say they no go like do it. Now, the reason why I use this one as an example, Simon Ekpa, one Budana Finland, is going to attack our leader. He's already doing it already, just that some of you have not noticed. He wrote an article, or that article he was copied and pasted, because I know one Akuta cannot put 1 or 2 together to write nothing. I'm very convinced to that extent. He said nobody can find an indigenous people of Biafra. That is, the indigenous people of Biafra has been there before they came. Because we always use the word. Our supreme leader is the founder and the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. He put up an article. Whether I copy and paste, I know it's a copy and paste. Probably from Nelly Ofegbu or from Rabbi Charles or from Madam Yibo. Yes. Go back to that article and read it very carefully. Read through the lines. You will know that that article was directly to our leader. He was trying to bring, at the end of the article, he was trying to bring in, by saying, in the director to this guy, what is this man name again? Raf Wazirike. No. That article was not indirectly to Wazirike. That article was written directly to our supreme leader, or indirectly to our supreme leader. In other words, stop using the word Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the founder of IPOB, the indigenous people of the IPOB. Nobody discover or found people. Our Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Go back and read that article very well. Now, after the celebration, the jugu of Nwankpota lied on a bloody light. He lied on a bloody light. He said, before that time that announcement was given, that our supreme leader was going to come the next day to court, that he already got an intel, but he chose not to announce it. One thing where they destroy person for life, na lie. Do you know why? Whatever anybody is saying today, you know, they remove one hair from my body, or if I see come out, I see they get face, say they face camera, because everything when I know they talk so far, not true. Even if na lie for I dey lie to una, my conscience will not be at peace. And when I come on the camera, you will be seeing it. It will be written all over me. No matter how I try to manage, no matter how I try to pretend, it will be written all over me. This is not the first time this guy has been lying. This is not the first time. From the video you made on that very day, it showed us, say, you never knew about it. It took you unaware. You see where I titled my broadcast of yesterday, The Desperation of Nwankpota Finland. The desperation of you to remain relevant. The desperation of you to remain to be recognized. The destination for you to want to be as a Nwankpota, or you want to be leader. It's obvious that you are lying on a bloody light, and they know say they lie on a bloody light. Can you please do your followers the needful by bringing or give an evidence to show say they give you that announcement before it got to the leadership? Can you bring an evidence of it? You wanna know. You want to be safe if they call you, they come meet you, they pour spit for your ear. You go call social media call writer. If they call your ear, do like this. You go call social media call writer. Now you go hear this kind of big news. You want me know like my pants when I wear for my waist. You want that when me know like back of my palm. You go hear that kind of gudu news. You go keep her. You. If you want or can't destroy where we come in. This line like this acid, you know, twice every day they lie up under this line where they lie go destroy you. And it's already destroy you. And your fellow man confirmed it that the last time. He said, I talked with him as a man. I never knew he was going to rush out to go and publish those bullshits. They thought you are matured. They thought you have brain. They thought you have what it takes to manage activities like this. You lied. Nobody told you. You are not aware. Madam Ibo was taken unaware. Madam, what did they call her? The manipulator, the seducer, Nelly Ofegbu was taken unaware. Delilah was taken unaware. All of you was taken unaware. Because everybody called they tell you, say, you have been left behind. They left you behind. They left you behind. You want to make yourself look relevant or important. I knew, I got the intel. My intel told me, you don't get any intel. You don't have no intel. The only people where you get are gossipers. No intel you get for that place. What you have are gossipers. That is why all your platforms are the headquarters of gossip. All your platform now be the headquarters of gossip. And you now be the leader of saga. King of saga. You don't have any intel. You will say my fellow gossip mate told me. My fellow gossip mate told me. And it got to a point, trying to prove more further, that you know what you are doing. While you know that you have nothing. You don't know what you are doing. Your brain is as empty as you can ever imagine. You say, our leader did not come to court. It's a false information. Our leader did not come to court. You see why I told you that these people, they want to be relevant, and these people, they want to be this one. People who are being recognized every part of the world, who have been being addressed as a body of government. You say they want to be recognized. They want to be relevant. Then you say because our Supreme Leader not call court, that news was not authentic. You see why they call you Akpa Bobo? You see why they call you Ekpa? Because this is not the first time our leader, they announce our leader coming to court and he not appear. Akpa Bobo. This is not the first time our leader, they thought say, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court and he did not appear. It's not the first time. I think it's not the second time. It's not the first time and it's not the second time. But because this one was taking you unaware, you want to look for every means possible to rubbish it. You want to rubbish DOS by every means possible. You want to rubbish the legacy by every means possible. You want to put everybody under your feet, which is not possible. Because you're too small, you never bath. You never bath. Since we have taken charge of your rubbish, you know, this our leadership that they move forward. We thought that we they do survey, and you they part of the survey. As a matter of fact, now you be the number one survey when we they do. Because they have done their own part by cleaning their house, cleaning every activities, every leakage in that place. And we are on the social media to clean your mess. Our leadership will focus. They will focus like never before. They will continue to do what they are doing. We are on this social media to deal with you. Because you be mumu akpa bobo na you be. Our leader did not come to court, this and that one, trying to prove all the point. See, if you want intend to insult Barrister Ejiofor, not go there. Because up until now, you have not been able to prove that you are a lawyer. That is the question everybody have been asking you. If you are a lawyer and you have a client, and probably that client dey for detention, and the family of the client, now that they manage you, now that they pay you, now that they do everything, then if you get a message from your client, will you take the message to the public, or you are going to take it to the client? You never feel after that message. You never feel anybody that will say someone is a lawyer again. Amadia will bend your neck. Anybody on the social media will say someone is a lawyer, one Buddha is a this one. Amadia will bend your neck. If you drink water, it go turn to sickness for your body. If you eat anything, go turn to sickness for your body, because this bone are full. If you see a lawyer, you're supposed to know a lawyer. I told you the last time. I said when someone don't ever quote anything like law since when they broadcast. Okay, me too, I'm going to add barrister to my name very soon. Barrister Efe. Yes, now. And after all, Ikega have added daughter to his name. Biafra child have added the general to his name. Me, I'm going to add Barrister Efe, Omote Biafra. Maybe now that one, now they make una they see person like better person. I'm going to add barrister or what did they call her? One title to my name. Because some of you are very foolish to the extent that say when you are seeing a danger, something that is showing red light, you don't recognize it. Me, I'm going to add barrister to my name. Barrister Efe Omote Biafra. What is wrong with some of you in that place? To me, someone have the most smallest brain. To me, someone is not smart. But some of you are sheepishly following that place. He has never quoted anything that has to do with law. One day, he's using, I'm exposing the zoo government of the Zoological Republic. I'm exposing the Zoological Republic. This, that. If you are, let me tell you something. I'm a photographer. And I'm also a fashion designer. And I'm on the field of photography and also fashion designer. I own a machine here. All those flags when I sell for France, that and I mean they sew them by myself. Now me they sew those flags by myself. They sell and they give Biafrans. I own a sewing machine. If you go to front of INEC headquarters in Abuja, I own an entrepreneur business there. Everybody knows me. Then I tell them every day, carry my picture, go there. They knows me. They know me. Now let's assume I came out on the field of being a fashion designer or a photographer. Are you not supposed to be saying, or are not supposed to show or they prove that I'm a fashion designer by designing different clothes on daily basis? Or each time I took a picture, like all those people when they say they do gift for birthday for Nigeria, when they call they play pom they'll come surprise the person. You know, for they see those, now my work will be that. Now my work. You know, for they see different design of picture. Maybe I forgot design our supreme leader. I forgot design Mazi Chika Doziem. I forgot design different people when I love. I forgot design them. Maybe as they watch me, you go see one beautiful picture. You go tell me, say, hey, can you design this dress for me? Or can you design this picture for me? I will not be so. What we are doing on social media as a lawyer or as a practice bullshit, I'm saying a consultant, I've been a solicitor, I've been a waiting at the call and so. For me, that boy is a mad. Now mad man be. He not get anything will be for that place. Now mad man I be. Yahoo Yahoo, then that boy, the Yahoo, we won't play Yahoo with the mind, with the likes of Biafra, which is not going to be possible. When has he ever, maybe as a doctor can, so he go, maybe Rabbi Charles will call her this evening and tell her, say, session, so, thing like this, be like this. Because if they listen to us, so they pick a spoon, and never they notice. That guy, he go listen to this video, he go pick a spoon. He go, maybe a few weeks from now, or a few days from now, he go quote one session for now. Go and mark this word when they tell you now. He go quote one section for now to prove saying a lawyer. He go start to talk about lawyer now. He go start to talk about law. Mark today's date. Now that he's now being bullied, we are not calling him out to the lecturer in your field that he has failed to do for the person. You go see, he go start to talk now. At least to prove that you are a professional, whatever you claim to be in that place. At least do something. At least do something. Do something that is show that this is who you are. The place when I never saw flag go as a Biafran activist who is a fashion designer, it remain one. It remain one. I don't saw flag go almost every country where Biafrans they reside. I don't produce Biafra t-shirts because it's my field to almost every country in the world where Biafran they reside. To become something is not by saying it by mouth, it's by practice. Practice what you claim to be. You are not in UK, in United Kingdom, where black go fit do anything. You are not in the United States, where black go fit do anything. All the time when they show us video of meeting where you hold, or when they clean so you hold meeting, I tell you say na table now you go they clean a chair. Some people they talk say the face are the lie. I've never seen a black man in that mess. One Buddha. If you click chair finish, click table finish, go they take picture. Or maybe now your wife they go that meeting, go come carry you as say my husband follow body on that day. Getting there, you will quickly take selfie. You will quickly take selfie for that place. Say you be lawyer, or you be barrister, or you be whatever bullshit. I've never seen a black man in that mess, only you. And if you take the picture, now sneaky picture, you go their back, go do like this. You are a bouncer, or you are a cleaner. You are a bouncer, or you are a cleaner. Finish. Because that is why you are taking drugs. You don't take drugs, come extra large. Now drugs they take, and not be gym now. If you go let you gym that kind of gym, you won't die. Not be gym, now drugs. If we see people when you gym, we they see them. Those one are drugs. I not go buy before your age. Not go buy because those drugs they get infected. You know gym nothing. If you want claim say na gym now you do, we want you to set camera for 2 hours because normal workout we go give person that kind of body shape. At least maximum 2 or 3 hours. We want you to set camera on live. They want to see you live perform for 2 hours. You go there for 10 seconds. We work out and do this. You drop her. Who you they deceive? Let me check. Somebody send me a message. Let me check it. Let me check it. Thank you very much. Igbo unite. I tell you, Igbo unite. Hey. I think say una no go wake up to the reality before, my brother. He can't pay me, oh. He can't pay me. Una we get responsibility to do. He pay me well. But thank God, I'm very happy when I saw it. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Say when I see that video, I was so excited because that is what we have been waiting for. We have been waiting for this day. That is why we have been shouting. If you see since how many days now, not the swear Amadioha for again. Because it don't pass the level of Amadioha. Now the level of bringing his activity to light. At the beginning, if I come out now, Amadioha Ogun, now they swear for her. Because he can't pay me say, so this boy don't go this far, don't destroy, don't do many things, see this far, and me don't know. I can't even the aid down. Now that pepper body, but now I'm relaxed. I'm addressing his matter without swearing Amadioha and Igbeso for him. Thank you very much. Make I not take too much of our time, and also I don't have much time yet too. I believe say Collins Kendo have two sets of people. Those that join Simon to attack DOS and those of them that ask you to concentrate and stop fighting your brother while they clap for Simon Ekperima to share him up, to ride on. We are going to defeat all of them. Yes. Thank you so much. Let me leave the talk for here. Tomorrow on another day. Make I put the number. Make we take 1 or 2 calls. Thank you very much. Wonderful people. No, let me leave it. Let me. Okay. Let me put it from here. If you already have the number already, you can call in before I go tap and put for there. Hello.
Hello, Efe, are you hearing me?
Yes, we are hearing you, Mazi.
Okay, thank you too much, my beloved sister.
Thank you, Mazi.
I would just like fellow Biafrans to just understand how this Simon Ekperima, the king of Saga, how he lied.
Okay.
This guy, in tongue, na 7 in 1. He kept people to go and watch the video or the short nonsense he made yesterday. His physical appearance when he was talking about this thing where Biafra say come out that cap of lie for his head where everybody takes champagne. Because if the two Biafrans watch that video, you will see the body language that guy was frustrated. Fourth, he was trying to watch from the comment of his nonsense followers to see if whether that announcement was true. He was guessing. At the end, he said, no, I'm not sure. But if it is so, he was just guessing to see whether it is true that our leader Mazinan can court appearance is going to hold. At the end of the day, the same guy come again to tell them and say, yes, I know that Mazinan can court the case is going to be hold, but I just want to keep quiet to see if the legal teams are going to bring it up. And he come again to see them there first. And yes, the court hold, but you see, it doesn't matter because our leader Mazinan did not appear on. As if we are foolish people who don't know what this guy is doing. And the people this guy is lying to cannot even decode him. This is the most painful part of it. This guy will lie and lie and lie. People are still watching him. Anyway, one thing I know is that most of fellow Biafrans that are watching him, they are still watching him to always catch him red-handed because when you don't go to criminal, you won't know his activity. Sometimes they go there to see how he's still lying off his mouth, off his head, and this guy has right or has the temerity to question
Yes.
There is nothing like information of our leader Mazin Nanikane appearing in court that this guy is going to nowhere because the road has been blocked. Those are giving him that information is no more here. Let's therefore see how this idiot who said one time that these legal teams, they are not doing the right thing, they have been bought. Let's see how he's going to let him come and bring that saga. As he has turned the king of saga, let him come and saga our legal team and let's see how he can be able to survive it.
Man, not be this place where we dey.
This guy,
not be this place.
Guy is a criminal. He came to hijack, and I'm hearing some noises that this guy has recruited some idiots in Biafra land who go to attack people every Monday.
Yes. She and Madam Ibo and then the Fuego, now that one.
This guy has recruited some mad dogs in Biafra land. Every Monday they will be parading, disturbing the peace of our people. And thank God that this time ESN is going to catch all of them. I saw one they catch the other day, that one was confessing. He was confessing. All of them that have planned this evil, hands to go catch all of them one by one. And I'm asking this idiot called Simon Berima, he should go and continue with his donation and leave IPOB alone. He's not part of us, and he can never be part of us.
That is right.
Even if is released tomorrow, I don't think Martin Nankan is going to talk to that idiot because he wants nothing. I heard him when he said, I don't know what he said, Eba it means in your language in Europe. I don't know, I think you said it.
It's Mumu, Ekpana Mumu.
And in Igbo language, Eba means somebody that is worthless.
Ekpa means Mumu.
Put time on Eberima. King of Saga, Eberima is somebody that is
Ngozi, I see you there.
That guy is an Eberima. Somebody who don't know how IPOB started, he just came 2019 to 2020, want to read where he did not sow. I said, don't the way not get ready to fire that guy and fire anybody supporting him. Because they're not joking here. Many have died. People have died. Our leader Martin Namdekanu, they came to his house and killed over 28 people. They died in his compound in 2017. His mother, his father is dead. They killed his cousin Adak. Even Jack's dog died put for this freedom. And this madman is coming to, anyway, thank God that the road has been short.
Yes.
He's not going to get information again. Let us see how he's going to come out to attack the legal team. And let's see who is giving this guy this temerity or this boldness to come and challenge IPOB. We shall see how this is end. My sister,
Thank you.
Let me stop there and allow all of our people to call in.
Okay.
This guy might have to put to an end. And I'm happy that our people today have begun to see, even this brother from Igbo Unite. I saw him, I was surprised. I said, oh, I don't wake up.
Igbo Unite, I shock for Igbo Unite.
And he will not last long. Just wait. Very soon now he will fade away. Thank you, Omote Biafra.
Thank you, Mazi. Thank you so much. Thank you. We must continue. Thank you, Mazi. Hello, go ahead.
Hello?
Hello, Mazi. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Efe.
Yes, Mazi.
I was not happy yesterday when the network interrupted your broadcast.
Yes.
But I know that today you will come back.
Yes, the network.
Now, Efe, I just want to, I'm telling you, like I always said, that you must continue coming every day to attack this guy. Because let me tell you, what you are doing is making a great impact to we Biafrans. Because Simon Eber, autopilot, and his group really came to destroy IPOB, but he has failed woefully. another God. That is what, they just divert to Idu nation. But thank God that our leader, just as Moses returned from the mountain, that is how our leader will also come out. To come and see that we are no longer with ox, that they have diverted to choose another God, which they have decided to follow. Now, everybody now has noticed that Simon Ekpa is a liar and a deceiver, and he should hide his face in shame. Everybody, you see, don't mind those people Nigerian government and Lai Mohammed recruited to him to follow him, to comment rubbish. We don't care what they are commenting. We know that they are all fake accounts. These are the work of DSS. Nobody is following Simon Ekpa as we speak now. I go to Facebook. I saw the tweet Melio Pebu tweeted this morning. He said, going to court is not released. Mazen Nandekalo, I laugh. that was his tweet this morning. He said, going to court is not releasing Mazen Nandekalo. Their intention, look, if you are the only person that have read these people like book, you have read them like book. No other persons have read and understand what they came to do like you. No other person. And thank God that you are the one now exposing them, and they know it, that what you are saying is the truth and nothing but the truth. They know. They know. So Simon Ekpa should go and hide it. Like I always told him, I said, like other saboteurs before him. He's not the first saboteur, he's not the second one. He will also follow the way of his predecessors. Today, nobody is hearing Ucheme for them, and in a no distant time, Simon Ekpa his voice will be silent forever. He will go like others. Because like Mazen Nandekalo always said, he said, nobody that fought his people that succeed. You can't fight your people and succeed. And I always tell people that IPOB is a carrier of dangerous cargo. If you stand on our way, we crush you. Yeah. If you stand on our way, we crush you. We don't care who that person is. Simon Ekpa is a fool. He don't know anything. If the whole Nigerian government is afraid of IPOB, if the world at large, even Britain is afraid of IPOB, who is Simon Ekpa? Who is those fools in America? My dear, let me allow other people to say something. Okay, continue what you are doing.
We must continue.
We must continue. Thank you very much. We are listening to you.
Thank you, Mazi. Thank you so much. Hello, Inebo.
Barrister Efe, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yesterday was frustrating without your network. You were like, what's happening? We were connecting all the time and everything was going on. But anyway, never mind. We can still talk with you in one talk.
Yes.
I won't give word to that Bedimawede for Finland. You know, say, the main reason why I stopped the watch that guy, now first thing, all this way don't they broadcast, you know, bring profile. Immediately he say, they cannot talk, say, may we give you slot. He can't write one long profile. Let me say, somebody waited 60 years, he never finish. I say, all this profile, for how many years do you do, but you go get that kind of profile? That will not do him. Now, there I start to suspect that guy. You understand? As here, some say, no, this is the, so they do that thing. Now, the day when I hear say they don't carry Onion do that night, the first day Onion do go court. He come the one tell our barristers waiting they go do. As I talk to you now, I see they remember the body language we use that time. How you come in chair, come to I say waiting. They see where they Finland, go tell somebody where they Nigeria how we go wrong case. I said, this boy they colo. This boy they colo. That was the first and the last time I stopped listening to him. So now we be the first people who catch that music. I say, they agree to this nonsense wey they do online. No? You understand? Now somebody we never cross.
Yes, now you know
what traditional politics be, go they agree to this nonsense wey they do. So my brother, as I tell you before, enter house. You know, say those
you
people
no go green enter house. How you go green enter house?
Now the kind no go come out. We go carry you. Now lie you. We dey pray say nothing go touch you now the Kano. I say something touching now the Kano. My brother, that you go down first too. Because now you be at least number one experiment where we know, number one sample, number one betrayer where we know now.
That guy na heavy betrayer. Heavy one.
Yes, if anything happens, no matter where you there, your head will
yes,
go down.
how she goes here.
So nothing say you go smell that position, you go smell anything. Nothing. Not deceive and they deceive you. So I beg, close that shop, close your shop, enter house. Enter house. Customer no day, enter house.
Enter house.
That's what they do. Not be true. I see you that day. You can't post that video. You say, not be true. How you see they go cut? If they go cut, I say heart attack don't they come this boy you. Person day close, they go hold them. Say heart attack don't they come? Don't they say, don't be true. No, just sit down and look at yourself in that video. You wear a mess. You wear a mess. You just ridiculing yourself for nothing. Waiting. How much they pay you? Obviously, you go bring yourself to the Italians they say spazzatura. But if they pay you, how much they pay you? Where you go rubbish yourself. So that you say in the next 5 years you go come on, people go say that who be this one? This stupid person where they waka. My brother. And another thing I want to be say, you see that girl, waiting between that one will be single mother for waiting they call her. You know, you get one.
Keziah.
You know, say that girl. The very first time when it starts, that woman, let me not call her. She's an old mama. We know. If you look at her face, you go know. She now old mama. The first time when it starts, they come they do that thing. I say wait. When we don't start, they do a shower walk for IPOF restoration. Yes. Don't be laugh matter, my sister. I say when you go have dress, they dance. I say when we don't start the dirty this struggle where we did. You can't go one day come do like I say you can't go live long go. You can't go which kind of nonsense is that?
Thank you.
My dear sister, no allow whatever they talk touch you. You are untouchable. As I said today, you don't give you barrister.
Yes.
And don't start they go.
Yes.
No going back.
No going back.
We take it back.
We
You know, if they choke, if they pain.
I tell you.
And all those people when they follow them, they don't see. Not be the other day. That day when do they go court. That day all of them when they go sign on platform, God they first say, maybe carry everybody along, maybe we get together. Now so they provoke, they cause them. As they call online for Radio Biafra, now so they cause them, they cause their generation. Stupid set of people.
Very near.
Now them, if one to come out tomorrow, they're not gonna allow you get line, call on you to say, my brother, my leader, thank you. Now only them, they don't go sleep, they come. What is it they call? Nonsense. I beg go. Now God go save us with this kind of people though. People want to get sense. Common sense. Same person, where employ person, you know go give an account of the runnings of the business or whatever. He go come tell you where the customer say, see you, we don't buy you. We don't buy. You know go tell the person where employ and say, Oga, we buy market. See how market they go. You go take customers as in lawyers.
Yes, it's a cara.
He wants the lawyers to do the same thing he did. When he was told to take the slot, he came online to say it.
Yes.
Without sitting down and thinking and considering whatever that has to go with that. So you want the lawyers to now come and tell the public and ignore IPOB leadership. My brother, if you think say them go ignore IPOB leadership, wake up from your sleep because you now dream you day. when you drink finish, you go wake up.
Yeah, so it be ne.
If you want, we go even take slack, join and say make we wake you up from that dream.
Now so it be ne. Thank you, ne.
And then my sister, God bless you.
He said.
Esther, you go live long.
He said.
When you marry, a blessing go follow you.
He said.
Your children and your grandchildren will be known for greatness.
He said.
God will always protect you.
He said.
You will always be standing in front of your enemies and you'll be jubilating.
He said.
God bless you.
He said.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ne. Bye. Okay.
I greet you, madam.
Good evening from here. Thank you.
From my name is Sanya Mobishubu. I'm calling from Senegal.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'm so much. Thank you very much. I'm so much happy. You know, your program is my remedy, as in it's my blessing. In fact, anytime that I hear your program, we just be happy. Some say that we are gossiping, but I love that gossip so much. If I don't hear that gossip, I don't feel sleep.
That's what it is.
You know, on Simon Perima, you know, when Jesus was scared about Simon Peter.
Yes.
And he asked Simon Peter 3 times, Simon, do you love me more than this? You know, when Peter betrayed Jesus and Jesus later appeared to the disciples, he was scared of Simon. And he asked him, Simon, do you love me more than this? And now, this particular Simon Perima, we are still asking him, though I know he has been left behind. That very day, the news broke out, very short like that. He came immediately on the social media to do welcome. And people were bombarding him with messages. We heard that Amazi is coming tomorrow in court. He was seriously warning them, please don't bring fake news in this platform. I don't, you know, was just talking rubbish. And he opened his dirty mouth again to say, if that did not come from our Lego team, the one that are not working, the one that has been compromised. Now it's not depending on them. If this did not come from our Lego team, we should not regard it as a news. And after everything played out, I'm so much happy for our Lego team. Anybody that did not see their efforts right now, that person is not for Biafra struggle. Because Mazi Dioko said it, that this case will never beat it that January, and they have proven it. I want all Biafrans to know. It's just the problem we are having is we do forget things so easily. We do not refer to things that happen and why another one followed it at all. So this Simon Eba was saying that if he did not come from our Lego team, the one that has sold Mazin and the Kano, the one that have do this, that he cannot take it. Now he has came back yesterday saying that talking another rubbish again.
That guy is a confused guy. He's a very confused guy. Mazin, very confused.
He's really confused. He's really confused. I know by now many people might have shut down from his program, in fact. Because I was following some people comments talking Simon. In fact, that guy, I gave him the name now, Naya Mohammed II.
That guy, Linus. He like that. That guy. Oh.
He can lie for Africa.
Simon will say if you carry here poor speed for inside, you go call right time. If you carry here blow whistle put, you go call right. When I go hear that kind of thing, you no go talk. Mazi, thank you very much.
Want to observe.
Yeah, you want to observe.
And what really tear them apart is what they brought out about the Idu Nation.
Yes,
that is the other guy. They are no longer coming every day making noise on social media.
No.
So they don't know whether to talk about Biafra now or to begin to promote the Idu Nation. So in fact now they are in a state of quagmire. In fact they are very, very confused on whom to follow now, whether to follow Neddy and fall apart or to come and beg again. But the shame and the ego did not allow him to come back again. Yes. But we are still looking up to him. If he comes sincerely, but I know he did not come sincerely for this particular journey. If he comes sincerely, he would have come back since and apologize.
Thank
I
you.
was listening to Mazi Prince Darlington program, I think a day before Mazi went to court. He was also speaking to him. Stage, don't follow this track. Don't follow this track. Look at where you have landed yourself. And many people are telling him now, he don't know who to hold again onto. And I thank God for your great work. In fact, you and Methuselah, my brother, with Osisioma from Biafra, in fact, three of on our program, I don't joke with it at all. I don't joke with it. Just keep on. God will bless you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
God bless all Biafrans.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Hello, go ahead. From the United Kingdom.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, Barrister F.
Yes, in the room.
The only barrister. Yes, honestly, it's not a thing of laugh. You are more intelligent than even that so-called stupid boy that claims to be a lawyer. Because when he talks, you can't see any sense in what he's saying. Anyway, I just want to ask him a question in case if he comes across this video. Because I watched him when he was releasing that threat on on our attorneys, on the legal team. He was saying that if they should repeat giving the DOS information first, like they're going to see so. Then I want to ask him, Simon, one, you're not a member of IPOB. You are not in any family unit. You are not paying your monthly due. Where does he think that the money being used to maintain this legal team is coming from? How can he reap where he hasn't sown? Someone that has not contributed a dime in IPOB is coming to give a command. The legal team are working with the DOS. They are the employees of DOS. They liaise with DOS. I have said it one time in one of the programs. The attorneys, some of the information that they release to public should be going straight to DOS. DOS should be the ones that should be giving information, that should be passing information across to the public. Because they are working for IPOB. They are working for the leadership. So I don't know if DOS should hear this. We want to see what Simon can do. Because he's threatening. Let's see what he's going to do. An idiot that hasn't contributed a dime is coming out to give a command. They need to tell the barristers, starting from now, all the information should be going to DOS. These are the set of stupid people that whenever the attorneys pass out message, they will term the message as compromise and as fake when it doesn't suit them.
Yes.
Why are they coming out to say that they want the message to be published publicly? Meanwhile, these are the attorneys you guys have been crucifying and saying that they are fake. So the only thing I have to ask him, that idiot, how much has he contributed to the maintenance of this legal team? And again, please, the DOS, we want to see what Simon can do. So advise the lawyers, all the information, all the message should be going to the DOS. The one that deemed for the public, the DOS should give this to the public. The one that did not, they should settle it within themselves. So sorry, darling, that's all I have to say.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Barrister Issa, for the good work you are doing.
Thank you, Ndemo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You know, I told him that by the time the intellectuals in IPOB will come out for this guy, he will know that they are not there to play. Professionals who know what they are doing, not self-acclaimed. Only you, I see somebody comment just now say, even Attorney General for the Zoological Republic only have one profession. But this guy got a claim saying a solicitor, in a lawyer, in an army, in a this one. Okay, those things, yes, Christian, Dixie. So that is right. She Okafor, yes. So is that now those things that can qualify you to come put you a leader? You say our leader is not the founder of discovery of indigenous people of Biafra. You were trying to fight or try to as he give a point, if I'm backs, you are trying to give a point in that place. So all those your title, our leader that have led this almighty movement for the restoration of Biafra that we are all in today, he not get how many titles? How many titles our leader get? So with all those your title, of all you not get that konushi, no brain, no sense. So you come say that your this thing now, then you come make us feel say you don't be something for this place. Our leader say what I need is common sense. He said what I need is common sense. People who have the ability to reason. With all those your budu when you take they parade yourself like mumu. I mean, this guy if they look camera, you know they see say if they show mumu. You know they see him. See, let me tell you one for that. If you they look camera, like me now, if they look for my face, not they show mumu. But you, if they see you, your face they show epa mumu all look. If you know they see yourself, they show mumu. You know say. Go look that video when one put out the way they say one Nikompu when they call himself Nikompu say they will not insult our mother. So one put out he fry in hair for that video. He fry in hair. Go look the video very well. He won't do in hair like all those those Michael Jackson brothers, the senior brothers. You know say the way they fry their hair, those black American. Go check one put out video. He fry in hair for them. He fry in hair, he can't coil, I can't use comb, do am with gel. Go look am very well. Now, he don't get money, if you see one put her hair before, if you see him, go back to his first video. Go back to his first video. You go see and say, you go put one small table. Or in first video, you go put one small table. You go sit down like this. You can't they do like, waiting I don't know for that place. After that, after he do that hair finish, he can't do another one where it can't be punk. After that one, I don't cut another one again. We can't get shaved like. Why not go to change every day? When money, then they bring the estimates of the revenue where they make from YouTube yesterday. The estimate of the revenue you make on YouTube. Why won't you be doing saga? If you want to know, go to that guy's. Yes, pay me. Now pay me in the do now. See, go to. Go to what is they call it? That place. Go that place. Ask people, YouTubers do not have as much followers when that guy get. When they get viewers, go and ask them how much they are making every month. He get one lady when they call I don't want to mention her name. Get one Benin woman wait there for Paris. She they do salt and water, something like that, prayer like that. When that woman follower never reach even 50,000, subscriber never reach 50,000 at that time. She said she they make no less than how many thousand, close to 4,000-5,000 every month for YouTube. For YouTube. So, if you are waiting for one Puta to stop saga, you are going to wait forever. One Puta will never stop this saga because he's making a lot of money from it. King of Saga, he will never stop. And we too, we are not ready to stop either. Me too, I'm not ready to stop either. Since he's saying head na coconut head, we go up and shake away. One Puta, you say your brain na coconut brain. We go help you shake the coconut brain where make it shake where. So you know they say that money where they shop say na blood money. You know they say that money na blood money. You don't know they buy what is they can dark and lovely till they perm your hair. They know they change different style. They buy obuluku suit. Go there, yes, social media blind.com. Go there and share it. I too much love you, my dear. Remember, thank you for your best. Go there and check it. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. This guy who is not going to retrieve we no go retrieve any moment soon. That link when Sister Kara sent for them, go there and click on it and go and check it. You see it yourself. You see it yourself. YouTube, they are making hell of money in that place. I'm telling you the truth. So even they make the money, not come with the problem, but you can't make the money through evil, through evil, through evil. You have never paid a dime, contributed a dime to IPOB before. You have never contributed a dime to IPOB. As a matter of fact, they say they Madam Yibo say they pay you the joiner. Now, mama, don't say bring another thing, no. So now we go do, now we go donate money. The one way there for now dispose, I don't finish. I told you people last time. I said, how can one Buddha be a president of a do nation and still parading himself, parading about with ESN name and IPOB name? So they tell they solicit money. See, all those of now when they support Simon, if they do it for ignorance, they may God forgive you now. But if now they do it deliberately, the spirit of the dead and the living go haunt to now. Innocent Biafrans when they die. Innocent Biafran youth when they die. When Simon call they use their money, they enrich themselves. Those of them when they America, Madam Yibo and Nelly Ofegbu, those people when they die, their spirit go haunt to our children. It go haunt to our generation. These people are not IPOB members, they're still making money, asking for money in the name of IPOB. And you see it as a normal thing. You see it as a normal thing. You don't condemn it. The spirit of the dead Biafran go ask all of them when they support one quota for this rubbish when they do. Unless you are ignorant. Say you are doing it deliberately. The spirit go hurt all of them and hurt on our children. Because this guy is evil. If that money they donate and put now, you go here say they don't go give another person money. They don't go give another person money. The one when Nigerian government give them, they keep her. They use and they buy assets for themselves. They call they use end of Biafra money. Can't go they spend and they give people till they buy people. I tell you the last time. Let me use this one to write it up. Ugo Success, thank you so much. He said, let me use this one to write it up. I tell you say, when I go back as ATM machine, when I go back, go meet, they say, me need money because at that time they tell me say anything I need, I come meet them. So I go meet, they say I need money. So they tell me say money no day. And because that time they nearly swap the account, they nearly swap her. They nearly swap the account, say they report this one. Say money no day that account again. Say they won't create another account. So I can't go meet them. Say me need money. They come tell me say money no day again. So before money cost start to they enter the account. So that money when they give people now Biafra money, now IPOB money. Now IPOB money, and they tell them the truth. It is IPOB's money. And Madam Yibo and Nelly Ofegbu and Simon Ekpa, they are going to pay so dearly for it. Because these are earned money of people who are working out their ass to contribute that money. They are not, the money is not getting to them. It costs some money, Madam Yibo, then Simon Ekpa, and Nelly Ofegbu, the chopper. And they hear information now, say Simon don't they develop one thing for one place, for that place. One puta, this is blood money. You no go eat and enter body. You no go eat and enter body. This is blood money. Be very careful. May you not go sleep, you not wake up. This is blood money. Blood money. Thank you all very much, wonderful people. Great Biafrans. Make I give una shout out before I call it a day. Make I give una shout out. He say Simon Ekpa is big cow with no brain. Chukwu make up pop. Na true you talk. Anna Ngozi Ndubia Simon Egeze has ordered goods. I hope he is ready to receive the delivery. I hope so. I hope so. Very good, very poor people using Ikonso money to enrich themselves. Exactly, that was what happened. That was what happened. I go block now both of all his platforms. Please do, St. Anthony. What are you still waiting for? Maybe tomorrow we are going to continue the campaign. Operation Boycott Simon. Operation Boycott Simon, because he's using not to enrich himself. It's not that he's even using not to enrich himself to be doing the right thing. He's doing the bad evil thing to enrich himself. We are going to start the campaign tomorrow. Efe, my sister, I too love you. Your brain is very, very sharp. Your brain, they hot like fire. Yes, sis. Ogene Majiro. Yes, now I be true daughter of my father now. I be true daughter of my father. I don't miss road. First video when I do not identify where I come from. I'm from Orogun. I be the first great granddaughter of Uwanoho. From Otoro Orogun. I not hide my identity for one day. Let the government of the zoological, let them go there. Or you think my family are not seeing me on social media? They are seeing me. Thank you, Shubweze Nwoke. Thank you so much. Vita Ngozi. Vite Ngozi. Thank you so much. Sister Sinerita. Thank you so much. So that is how it is, my people. That is how it is. Okay, we get one caller. Sister Ego said, will you, after this caller, we'll go. Hello, sis. Good evening, ma.
Hello, darling.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening. You still there live?
Yes.
May God bless you. May God bless you for your good job.
Thank you.
I really love you. The way you tell them, say, it's not only you can handle them, and we are seeing it, and you are doing it. And that is why I always pray for you that the Almighty God will empower you. The land of Biafra will protect you and strengthen you to deal with them. And we too, we are coming. We are coming for them. Everybody must know Samuel Ekpa is evil to Biafrans, is evil to IPOB. Samuel Ekpa, the door where he knock, IPOB door. That door, that door. His hand go break when he take no for IPOB door. That in hand, Samuel Ekpa hand, it go break. I'm telling you the truth.
Yes.
Everybody don't they know say Samuel Ekpa is a complete saboteur. I'm telling you. Everybody know exactly where Samuel Ekpa is headed to. I'm telling you. Anybody that be with Samuel Ekpa, don't just believe say now all those Ile miss blood. Now the day platform. I'm telling you the truth. Now they Samuel Ekpa platform. You can see them now. They follow in your Facebook. They do let's be in a live video. Look at them. All those frustrated shower, retire prostitution, Libya to America to Italy. Look at their life. Look at their life. Those vagabond people, idiot. I thought that all of them in school, I don't know their nuisance. I don't know they are so useless.
Useless, so.
I don't know. Useless. Their life useless. They are useless, my sister. Especially Samuel Ekpa. I thought that is a smart man. I don't know is he better. I don't know Samuel Ekpa is he better. May after Samuel Ekpa don't take off that the pikin finish. Person go kiss Samuel Ekpa, re-enter that life and that boy enjoyment. Anything labor where Samuel Ekpa labor for that the pikin. Samuel Ekpa go die, leave another man go and return that blessing.
So shall it be.
When I pray for her this evening.
So shall it be.
Devil punish her.
Thank you.
Devil punish Samuel Ekpa. Devil punish Samuel Ekpa.
That's how it go be.
Punish her.
That's how it go be roots.
May God bless you. May the land of Biafra bless you, my dear. We will not stop except they stay away from us.
Yes.
I think we don't leave Samuel Ekpa now. We don't leave her for one corner now.
We have left him behind. We have left him behind.
I'm telling you, my dear, we left him behind. He doesn't know anything about us. People can give him information. We drag all of them out of IPOB. Idiot. Who are they dealing with? They are dealing with IPOB. So with any movement they make, we are watching them. We know where to block them. Idiot.
Thank you.
Idiot.
Thank you, Ine. Thank you so much.
God bless you, darling.
Thank you so much.
May God bless you. May you live long, my darling. May God bless you. May your heart desire come to pass.
He said, thank you so much.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you, darling.
Thank you.
Bye, dear.
Bye.
Bye, dear.
Yes. See, my people, make we call am a day. But before I go make I talk this thing. You know say wetin you not do or wetin you not be. If people they talk and you know they pay you. Check the war. Check and wanna be. Check Keziah. Check all of them, both the men, them what do they call them? Paul, all those people, Biafran Unite, all of them. Check all of them when come outside. Everything they are saying about me is lie. So I have not bothered. I'm not been bothered. But because anytime I give injection, it is nothing but the truth. See as social media they catch fire. You don't ever see me say they cut us say, hey, say Ashawo, now so that I do you. I can't come outside, I can't obvious they call the counter them. No now. Because they are lying. It is not true. It is not true. So it's not, you know, they hurt me. You know, they even they come on one single one for my body. After this one expire now, I go drop another one. No, you go see and say everywhere go catch fire again. And they senior me, oh, they be old women, oh, they not be the absorb pain. They be grandmother. They go tell me I go absorb and go clean and go do na. Odeshi. If I call tomorrow, after 2 weeks, I go drop another one again. They will call me crying. Let me tell you something. Now me be the master for this game. Una be my student. I tell una from the beginning when this fight start. I say na go. I say see in the time of Njaka for America. Njaka won't draw me enter saga of Efe, I shall go to Libya, I shall go to France, I shall go to Italy. I tell Njaka say no, I don't do saga for all those things. You know what I do? Because of say the platform when I take command, now the platform of Biafra, I'm going to maintain on that lane. I'm going to maintain on that lane. I can only give you bullets. I can only give you, if I give you bullet, I leave you. Just the way I treat these people. Now so it go be. You can never see me if a one over. I'm not tell Biafra. It's as a matter of fact. Call me Barrister F.A. one over. I'm not tell Biafra. From today henceforth, I'm going to add it to my name. You will never see me to do rubbish with those people. No, it's not possible. If you like when they talk, I do na ex. Now so I be thief, I be Ashawo, I be this one, I be that one.